بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 6. Today we want to learn the equations. The first question, what is the difference between equation and expression? Expression is mixed between variable and numbers. The expression has constant, coefficient variables. But if we have equal between two expressions, here means we have equations. Here means we have equation. So the equation, any mathematical forces include equal between two expressions. And the value from equation, I want to solve this equation to know the value of the variable, And the value of the variable is a solution. So what's the meaning of solution? So the solution is the value of the variable. So the goal from the solve the equation to know the value of the variable. طيب, we have here many exercises and different kind of equations, and we want to learn how to solve each kind. Here we have solve d plus 5 equals 17. I can solve it mentally and I can use rule. Must to know always when you want to solve any equation, the variable here d must to be alone in the same side. So try to remove the number. As you see here, the sign for this number plus. So I can here subtract 5 from the two sides. Why minus 5? Because 5 minus 5 will be 0. So cancel the number here. Remove the number. Remains in this side d equal 17 minus 5 will be 12. Now d equal 12. This is the solution. Of this equation. This is the value of the variable. So this is the meaning of the solution. The next example. The question here, solve h minus 15 equal 3, then check your solution. طيب, the first step, the equation here, h minus 15 equal 3. Always remember, must to make the variable as alone in the same side. So try to cancel minus 15. The sign minus. So add the opposite number, plus 15. Plus 15 here, plus 15 here. Now minus 15 or plus 15 will be 0. Remains here h. And here 3 plus 15 will be 18. So the solution now, h equal 18. How to check if my work is true or not? Is it the solution h equal 18 make the equation correct or not? هلا substitute h equal 18 and find this side. If this side equal the second side, means the equation is correct and means this is solution to this equation, and that means my work is true. If I substitute the value of h here and find the answer here and I find this answer different than the next side, means the equation is not correct. That means so h equal 18 not a solution for this equation. طيب, let's retry here. Is it h equal 18 solution? طيب, substitute now. H equal 18 minus 15. Is it equal 18? Is it equal 3? Sorry, is it equal 3? So at this moment I don't know. So put here a question mark. Now 18 minus 15 will be 3. So 3 equal 3. This is correct. That means the equation is true because the first side equals the second side. So h equal 18 is a solution for this equation. The second example here. Is n equal 3 a solution to the equation 18 divided by n equal 6? Substitute. Now n equal 3. Put the value of n here. So will be 18 divided by 3. Is it equal 6? I don't know at this moment. I don't know. So put here question mark. Now check. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 3 will be 6. Is it 6 equal 6? Yes. That means n equal 3 is a solution. To this equation. The example here. Solve 2x equal 100. Here we have coefficient. Always remember, when you want to solve any equation, try to make the variable as alone in the same side. So remove any number with a variable. So how to remove 2? Try to divide by 2. Try to divide by 2. Divide the two sides by 2. Now 2 divided by 2, 1 remains here x. 100 divided by 2 equal 50. And you can solve it mentally. Ask yourself which number times 2 equal 100. 100 means x equal 50. The example here, solve 5x equal 65, then check your solution. Now we have here coefficient, we have 5. How to remove this number? Divide by the same number, divide by 5, divide by 5. So 5 divided by 5 will be 1, so x equal 65 divided by 5 will be 13. So the solution here equal 13. How to check? Substitute the value of x 13. Is it 5 times the value of x now 13 equal 65? At this moment I don't know. Check now. 5 times 13 will be 65. 65 really equals 65. So correct. So that means equal 13 is a solution. In this equation, y over 5 equal 11. How to solve this equation? Must to remove the 5. How to cancel this 5? Try to multiply the two sides by the same number. Multiply by 5. So I can write here 5 times y over 5 equal 5 times 11. Remove 5 with 5 because 5 divided by 5 will be 1. Remains here y. So y equal 5 times 11 will be 55. So this is the solution. Now solve 1 over 3x equal 2 over 5. Try to remove 1 over 3. How to remove this fraction? Here we have 3, so try to multiply the two sides by 3. So I can write now 3 multiplied by 1 over 3x equal 3 multiplied by 2 over 5. Three multiplied by 1 over 3 will be 3 over 3 will be 1. 1x means we have x. Now 3 times 2 will be 6 over 5. 6 over 5. This is the solution. Now here we have equation. We have here coefficient and we have add number. This is mixed between the two kinds previous. The first step, try to remove this number. Here we have plus 1, so minus 1, minus 1. Plus 1 or minus 1 will be 0. So remains here 3x equal 5 minus 1 will be 4. Then how to remove 3? How to remove the coefficient here? Divide by the same number. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Here remains here x. And here 4 over 3. This is the solution. In this exercise, is x equal 5 a solution to the equation? We have this equation 5x plus 1 equal 25. What I do, substitute the value of x. Put here the value of x equal 5. Is it 5 times the value of x here 5 plus 1? Is it equal 25? Right. Solve the first side here. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 1. Is it equal 25? Now 25 plus 1 will be 26. Is it equal 25? No, not equal. Not equal. Because here we have 26, here we have 25. So this number x equal 5, make this equation not correct. Means this number not a solution for this equation. Not a solution for this equation. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.